We're not overpacking this summer. We're packing smartly. We're packing emotionally beautiful, intelligent outfits. And instead of gatekeeping the real essentials, I'm giving you the blueprint. I'm talking 7 outfit combinations that don't just look good on a Pinterest board, but actually serve on a trip. And like that one time I overpacked with 14 different outfits and wore the same thing 3 days in a row. And mind you, I'm on a trip. We will not be misusing valuable luggage space. So if you even have one weekend trip coming up this summer, don't leave without these essential looks. Hi, I'm Maria. And today we're going to be talking about some summer essentials that you need for your next trip, whether that is a staycation or a vacation. So whether you're going to Tulum, Ghana, Nigeria, Greece, or your cousin's beach wedding in Florida, which I live in myself, we're building outfits that get it. Like this could go to dinner, or you could lay across the beach and then go to a bar. A transitional outfit. I'm giving you formulas, packing tips, and like low-key life lessons on how to transition each outfit, because I feel like every outfit tells on you. So we're gonna pack amazingly and ready to go. Now, if you're going to the airport fit, my airport go-to fit is my upgraded mock neck, my cargo jeans, and sneakers. Maybe it's a model off-duty vibe that it gives. Maybe it's the confidence of knowing like I walked out of like a 90s magazine. It's kind of giving streetwear, but like elevated, which is like my thing. But I swear, I feel like a low-key local celebrity walking through the airport whenever I'm in that outfit. It gives effortless, coordinated, and just cool. And I get cold in the airport. I don't know if it's just me, but it like, why is it so cold, to be honest? But this top I wore to our recent trip in Jamaica, and it's my typical go-to. You know, if I spill something on myself, it's not that obvious, which, you know, on a trip, things happen. But the pants are loose, they're fitting. They actually are the Attico dupe from Fashion Nova. They're very comfortable. I've talked about them before. I paired them up with my platform sneakers, my Adidas. I wear my Telfar with it, which matches my suitcase, as you can see there. It's the little details for me. They elevate that traveling experience. This is I swear I'm not dramatic, okay? But that cargo look gives that low maintenance women still trying to get priority boarding and still make great first impressions before takeoff. Your airport fit is kind of like a trailer, in my opinion, for the rest of your trip. So let's pack successfully and correctly. Look number 2 is swimsuit as a top. The formula here is a 2-piece swimsuit, a denim skirt, a button-down shirt. This is the beach girl off-duty look. Now, the denim skirt, oversized button-down, that's a classic. She's not trying, she just is. So why pack double when your swimsuit could be part of the look? Also, why is this outfit the one I tend to wear the most at the end of the beach day anyway? So from the beach to tacos to a dinner party with friends, pack pieces that can shapeshift, especially when your plans can and probably will change as you go. I probably have like different combos of this, especially as a Miami, and at this point going to the beach a lot, more frequently than most people. I mean, we live by the beach, but cotton, linen, breathable things, slightly oversized, especially for post-beach, and like coming back to civilization vibes, are going to be unmatched because you're wet. Putting something like that that's breathable on, trust me, you're going to need it. Now, look 3. This is the chill day uniform. Take this down. Your formula is breathable wide leg pants or jeans or trousers, whatever you want, elevated tank top, a straw hat, and platform sandals. That's it. Every time I wear this combo, I feel like, again, we're getting that model off duty. It's casual, it's elevated. It's the confidence of knowing that it just looks good and it travels so well. But at the same time, I can go from coffee to bar to car to the beach to checking in, because in the video we're actually checking into the hotel or the resort hotel area where we're at. But that's literally what the point of this outfit is. I can go straight from there, take off my tank top with obviously my bathing suit underneath, and go to the beach. Pack my stuff into a bag. I'm there, right? And this look works. So you may end up going for a similar one, like you could go with the jeans over pants. I always pick one that's functional for me, and adding maybe some sunnies to it for a beach walk, you know, maybe slides, maybe for dinner you could change it out, add some hoops or red lip. You can elevate it in so many different ways quickly, and that's what you want from a transitional piece at a beach town or going to a resort or somewhere by water or, you know, on a trip. That's what this whole thing's for. It's for trips, right? So look number 4, beach to bar fit. The formula you want to go with is, we're back to the bikini. It could be a tankini, whatever kini you want. A sheer top, cotton or platform slides or flip-flops, cool sunnies, top handle bag or beach bag, whatever you want. Listen, your cover up can still be a serve. Sheer button downs, mesh, crochets, something that says, yes, I did come to stunt at the poolside or the beach. Thanks for noticing. Have that one outfit that makes you feel famous, makes you feel important, makes you feel good, and not just for Instagram, but for you. This look is from my recent trip to Jamaica, and let me tell you, a cute sheer look is so glam girl coded to me. And this one is pure fantasy, like the blue, the bikini, the sheer top, the dramatics, and a versatile bag that can hold, you know, your little SPF, a lip oil, you know, planning all the group chats, everything, the emotional labor behind that group chat in that bag. Especially when you step out of the water, you look great with no makeup on, a beautiful outfit, and that really lets you shine. Let's go to look number 5. This is the beach stroll look, I would say. The formula here is maybe a fitted top. I have a fitted top, a white flowy skirt, some heeled sandals, and a handbag. This is the outfit when someone texts you, want to meet for a drink really quickly by the beach, or want to really hang out real quickly, and you're saying, you know what, I'm ready to go. Fitted top, white skirt that moves with the breeze, your cutest sandal. You show up like the softest little cute little hurricane, right? Something that the outfit that makes people open up. You're bright, you're lively. You can almost have a little therapy on the body. It's given home by the beach chic. Coastal living, coastal grandma, maybe? I don't even know, but whatever. I'm wearing this with the bathing suit underneath, and it still looks elevated. Now look number 6, this is a sunset cocktail meetup. This is what you wear for a little bit of a fancier, but not too fancy. The formula is a white linen dress, a white shoulder bag, and some brown platform sandals. We're going neutrals, we're going with just beautiful, airy. Typically when you are at a beach town like I am in this video, it's a little bit low-key. You want to show out without standing out. And I think this all white look does that, because if you're a messy girl, maybe go with the different colors, because they do have different colors of this dress. I love this dress so much. I wear it all the time, but I would say something that's elevated but comfortable, because hot places have cool nights, typically at least cooler than the days, and warm moments, and you should be ready for either. Find a dress that matches your moments, your day, and not just the restaurant, but obviously not just the restaurant's mood, but the way that you feel, and really want to look back and express. Like when you look back on that vacation, you want to have a certain feeling, because a lot of times we remember the feelings of the things that we did. You want to remember feeling amazing in the clothes that you wore. So these are the other ways that you could go with this. In this dress, in my opinion, it's low effort, high impact, and there are some flowy ones like these too, but so many options, like I said, in the color ranges of this dress specifically, but something like that. Look number 7 is dinner with a view. You got a little view, you got a little dinner. Formula to try out is a colorful dress, a top handle bag, platform sandals, minimal makeup, because again, we are at a beach town, we're not doing too much. There's something about a vacation dinner that just demands a little bit of drama. But I want to feel like I'm me in it, and not like I'm trying to impress a couple next to me. I like a breathtaking piece, and this dress does that for me. This is when I show up, I still feel like a main character, and this dress is, you know, giving color. It's definitely giving attention, but it's definitely giving attention grabbing. But I typically pair it with the top handle like I do here. You know, I have my little very puzzle, my go-to for like travel and everything. My platform sandals, so, you know, not sinking into the sand as I'm walking, and also I got that little gap of a little gap, right? And you know, you can wear this outfit and you remember yourself not just in something that photographs well, but again, in that feeling of literally feeling great in that moment. Because those are the things you remember when you think about the trip. And also looking great. I mean, hello. We're gonna look at our photos. We want to look amazing. Now, I really believe the best outfits on a trip aren't really about trends. They cannot be, in my opinion. They're about moments. The way you pack sets the energy for your whole trip. So yeah, we're choosing outfits with formulas and function that work well. But we're also choosing who we want to be in each moment. Be the girl who says yes to more gelato. Okay, we're on vacation. Be the girl who lays out and reads, whether it's on your phone or whether you're reading a book in person. But be that person who remembers that, another big one, everybody's a bikini body. I hope this video helps you pack, or maybe you just need some vacation ideas. I hope I've been able to help you do that. So take the trip, wear the thing. Romanticize the errand run if that's all you get to have, or the rooftop dinner if that's another amazing thing you have. You don't really necessarily need an occasion to even dress this way. Maybe your vacation is a staycation. You are the occasion, but comment your favorite outfit formula for whether you're packing for your next trip or a staycation. And until next time, bye.